Okay, you know my name already. I already told in the last class. So I hope all of you did already your homework. What I given the homework in the last class. You know everyone. What I had given in the last class. Everyone done your homework, right? I hope you done. Okay. You have to, because you are my students, right? You have to do your homework. So in last class we studied patterns as well as the bigger number and smaller number and color these balloons. Next one even number and odd number. You already know that things. Today we'll study the how to add the numbers. Addition of numbers. Addition of numbers. First one is 56 plus 23. Okay. So 56 plus 23. Here addition symbol. Here addition of numbers. You already studied in also second standard. You studied, right? Already you studied in a second standard addition of numbers. Again I am telling how to add the numbers. This is a warm-up syllabus actually. Okay. You whatever the things you studied in a last class, that thing only they given here. So 56 plus 23. 56 plus 23. ಹೇಗೆ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. Understanding? 6 plus 3 is 9 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Whichever in the ones place you have to add that numbers. Whichever in the tens place you have to add that numbers and write it below here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಮತ್ತು 3 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, don't add 5 and 3. You have to add the 6 and 3 because whatever the value lies below the ones place. Ones place ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 56 ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is the value in the ones place? 6. And in 23 number what is the value of in ones place? That is the 3 number is in a ones place. So you have to add the only ones place values. That means 6 plus 3 is 9. Next one is the 5 plus 2 is the 7. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Next one is 12 plus 15 they given. 12 plus 15 plus 10 equal to what? Okay. This is called as the equal symbol. This is the equal symbol. These are the addition symbol. ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Addition symbol ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದೇನಿದು? Equal symbol. Okay. 12 plus 15 plus 10 equal to what? Again add here. Write the numbers here. 15, 10. Okay. Plus symbol. Next. See. 5 plus 2 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5 only. Next 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. Here 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? 5 plus 2 7. 1 plus 1 plus it is a 37. Like that you have to do the next problem also. That is a 3-digit sum. 3-digit sum also you know. What is the value here? Seat 1 534. Next is the plus 232 equal to what? First write the numbers here. 534 232 plus symbol. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 6. 5 plus 2 7. 4 plus 2 6 and 3 plus 3 is a 6 and 5 plus 2 is a 7. This is the addition problems. Getting my point? What we have to do here is they given a 534 plus 232 then you have to write the number below that 534. Below that you have to write the 232 number, and again here a addition symbol. Now you have to add the numbers. 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. Getting? 4 plus 2 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 5 plus 2 is 7. Getting my point? So these are the addition of a number. Next one, D one is a homework. You only do. D problem you have to do it in your home. Okay? If I do everything, I only, then what will you do in your home? So 154 plus 241 is equal to what? 154 plus 241 equal to what? That is, you have to add the numbers. That is 154, 241. Add the numbers. Okay, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 2 plus 1 is 3. You have to write the below here. That is the answer for that problem. Artha aitala addition problem elrigu understood, right? I hope you all understood the addition problems. Next we move on to the subtraction problems. You already done in a second standard only. So you are studying now third standard. Subtraction problems you already know. They given us small subtraction problems. First one is 85 minus 45. How to subtract the numbers? You know, right? 45 minus. Only in a bigger numbers we have to subtract the smaller values. Okay. So first you have to write always a bigger number. Next you have to write a smaller number. Otherwise it will not get to subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. Artha aita? 85 minus 45 subtraction problems they given here. 80, write 85, below that 45. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4 here. So answer will be a 40. Getting? Next what they given? That is, this is a 8 problem. Next to B, you have to do B problem. 175 minus 52. 175 minus 52. That is a 15 minus 2 is, sorry, 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. Next, here nothing is there means it is a 0 here. 1 minus 0 is 1. 175 minus 52. So write the 52 below the, if a see here, 175 idella. What is the, which value is in a ones place in a 52? 2. 2 is in a ones place. So you have to write the below that number. 5 ಕೆಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 7 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. Understanding? So 175 and which number is in a ones place? That is 2. You have to write below the 5 here. Next, which number is in a 10th place? That is 5. You have to write here also 10th place means 7 number is there. So below the 7 number you have to write the 5 number. Here now number is in a 100 place, but here is in a 1. So here no number is there means it's a 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So 175 minus 552. 5 minus 2 is 3. 7 minus 5 is 2. 1 minus 0 is 1. Getting? This is the subtraction problems. So next deep one is the, you have to do it in your home. That is a homework again. Next one is find the product. 9th main, find the product. How to find the product? Product is nothing but the multiplication problems. Multiplication problems ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ. Okay, So find the product, that is nothing but a multiplication problems. That is the first thing is 7 into 0. 7 into 0 is 0 because if you multiply any number to the 0 then you will get a 0 only. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 0 ನೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So if you multiply any number to the 0 then it will be a 0 always. Next one is 10 into 5. Already you know the 10 table. 10 5s are 50. Write the answer here. Next seat one. What is the seat one problem? 5 into 10. Everyone know the table, right? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are how much? That is the 10. Write here 10. Next one is the problem. 6 into 7. That is 6 ones are table. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42. Write the 42 number here. Next one is 3 into 5. 3 5s are how much? 15. Next one is 8 3s are. What is the 8 3s are value? 8 3s are 24. Right here. Next one is G value 4 into 1. 4 into 1 what? 4 ones are 4. That is 4. Next H. What is the H problem? 2 into 4. 2 4s are how much? 2 4s are 8. Write the answer here. Okay. Understood, right? All these are the multiplication problem or the product. If they say find the product, it is nothing but the multiplication problems only. So you have to do the multiplication like this. Next one, we'll move on to the further 10th main. What is that they given in the 10th main? Everyone see your textbook and read the question. Measure the length of your index finger. This is called as the index finger. Okay, after thumb you have one finger, right? This finger is called as the index finger. You have to find the length of this index finger. Okay, this is the index finger. You have to find the length of this index finger. How you will find the length of this index finger? Take a scale. Ellaru scale tagobeku, tagondu ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. From this to this. Okay? This to this. You have to measure your index finger with the help of the scale. Everyone have a scale, right? So take your scale and measure your index finger. How much length, how many centimeters are there? You have to write it in your textbook only. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. I think 3 to 4 centimeter ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay, so you have to write that. Next one is what they given? Pencil. Everyone have a pencil. Again take a scale and you have to measure with the scale your pencil. Okay, so and how much length that is there, you have to write it in your textbook. Next one is write the unit that is used to measure the weight of the following. In page number 4 open the page number 4 here. What they given here? Write the unit gram or a kg. Gram or a kg that is used to measure the weight of the following. ಆ weight ನ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಜಿ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ your weight. That is nothing but a human being's weight. In which measure we can measure the weight? Kg or gram? Obviously it is a kg. You have to write for the weight it is a kg. Write in this box. Everyone seeing your textbook? See here. Here you have to write the kg. Okay. Next one is what? 10 apples. 10 apples. How you will measure the 10 apples? In kg. Okay, right here kg in that box. Here also kg and here also kg. Next one, what they given here? Your father's mobile phone. Your father's mobile phone. Mobile phone ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ತುಂಬಾ weight ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಾ ಅದು? No. So it is in a grams. You have to measure in it is a gram. Right here a gram. Next one is only one apple. Only one apple means it is also a gram. So here your weight is in a kg and here 10 apples are in a kg. Again this is your father's mobile phone is in a grams only and one apple is in also a gram. So these two are the B and D are the grams and A and C are the in a kg. Getting everyone? Okay, right. Next what they given? Write in a words and in a expanded form. I told in the last class only. They given here a 245 number. Okay, you know the how to write the number name. I'll show one example. You have to do it in your home. 245. How to write the number name? Number name. Next one is a expanded form. Expanded form. See here. Number name is how to write the number name? 245. 245, right? It is 245. Okay. Or also this is also correct and this is also correct. 245. Okay. Both are the correct. 245 or else the 255. Next, how to write the expanded form? This is here 2 in a 100 place. Means its value is 200. Next, 4 is in a 10th place, so its value is 40. So next one more, 5 is in a 1st place, so it will be a 5 only. So 200 plus 40 plus 5. This is called as the expanded form of the number and this is a number name. They given a 245 here. You have to write it in a words as well as the expanded form. See here, this is a 245 and here you are going to write a number name here. So this is a 245 and after that expanded form. Expanded form is 200 plus 40 plus 5. Or else this is also correct. If you want to write like this, this is also correct. 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is also correct or this is also correct. Both are correct. Whatever you want, you have to write. Both methods are correct. Okay. So this is the expanded form. This is a number name. Again they given a one more example here. 324. You have to write here a number name. Next one is a expanded form. Okay. So here number name. Next one is a expanded form. Write the number names here. Write the number name. Same. You already know how to write the number name. Here they given right here. You have to write it in front of these numbers. 327. Here 462. Next one is 655. Okay. Next what they given? Write the place value of the each digit in the following numbers. Means they given here a boxes. See here everyone. I am showing to you. This is a 243 and 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes are given for the in front of each number. See here and they marked here. Okay. For 3, what is the in which place 3 is there? Here 3 is in a 243. In 243, I'll show in on the board only. 243. Here for 3, 1 box is there, and for the 4, So another notes is there, and again here also one box is there. Okay. So 3. Like this, they given in your textbook. See everyone here. 3. 3 is in which place? It's in a ones place. Right here, ones. Okay. Next, 4 is in which place? 10th place. 10th place. Okay. Next, here 2 in a which place? It is in a 100th place. Okay, you have to write like this. Getting my point? 3 is in a ones place and 4 in a 10th place and 2 is in a 100th place. Okay, so this much only you have to write. What they asked? Write the place values, the numbers here. 3 is in a ones place and 4 is in a 10th place as well as the 2 is in a 100th place. Okay, next one is see here. You know, right? Ones or it is called as the, sometimes we call it a unit place. Both are correct. Ones also same, unit also same. Don't get confused here. Unit also same, ones also same. Next one, what they given? Write it in a ascending order. You know ascending order as well as the descending order. How to write the ascending order numbers here? Ascending order means ascending order and descending order. Okay, ascending means smallest to biggest number. Okay, next one is here biggest to smallest number. Ascending order, this is a descending order. Getting? Ascending order as well as the descending order. Ascending order is nothing but a smallest to biggest number, and descending order is nothing but a biggest to smallest number. So ascending order is a smallest to biggest number. Descending order is nothing but a biggest to smallest number. You have to write. First one they what given here. Write here a write in a ascending order. They given here some numbers 202, 212, 221, 220, 210. Which number is the smaller here? 202. Right? So 202 is the smallest number. You have to write it in a first. Next one we have to write a 210. After that 212. After that 220, 221. Okay. First you have to write the smallest number. Which is the smallest number they given here? 202. So first number is 202. Next number is what? 210. After that 212. After that 220. After that 221. See here. This is a smaller than this. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. This is smaller than this. So it is a increasing order. How the ಈ number ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Smallest to biggest number. That is called as the ascending order. Next one is the descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest number. Which is the bigger number here? They given here 554. First one is a 554. It is the biggest number in that given number. Okay. Next one is a 543. After that 535. Next one 534. Next one is 435. Next one 345. See here. 554, 543, 535, 534, 435, 345. Biggest to smallest number, that is called as the descending order. See here, this is the biggest number. After that, this is smaller than this. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ನಂಬರ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗಿಂತ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿದೆ. So biggest to smallest number is called as the descending order. Smallest to biggest is called as the ascending order. Everyone got the point? Okay. Next one is, if today is a Thursday, what day will be the tomorrow and what day was the yesterday? If today is a Thursday and what is the tomorrow? After the Thursday, which day is there? Friday, right? Write Friday. And before Thursday, which day is there? Wednesday. So in the yesterday, you have to fill with the Wednesday, and for tomorrow, you have to write with the Friday. After that, they given a find the total money. You have to, again, this is a nothing but a addition numbers here. 1 plus 2, 3, next plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. You have to write here 5. Next 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. Again, it is a addition problems, so you have to do it in your home. Next one is 15 divided by 5 and 12 divided 3. You know how to divide the numbers. Division of the numbers is right. Everyone, wait, I'll show how to do the division. That is the which main? That is 19th main. First one is what they given here? 15. 15 divide 5. That is 15. 5. 5 is 15. It is 0, 0. So remainder is 0. Quotient is 3. We have to divide like this. Next one is what? 21 divide 3. 21 divide 3. 3 sevens are what? 21. It is 0, 0. Okay? 3 sevens are 21. Here 5 is 50. We have to divide like this. Next one is make a equal groups of see here. You have to do the here. They given us some keys are there here. What they told, 5 groups of 3 keys. 3 key idavalla, ಆ 3 keys ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, so here 5 groups of 3 keys. Okay, so you have to circle for 3 keys. 3 key ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. So how many groups you will get here? 5 groups, because this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. You will get 5 groups of 3 keys. 3 key ಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಈ 3 keys ಗೆ see, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕೈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಈ 3 ಕೀ ಸೇರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. So how many groups you will get? 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. This is a 5th group. So you will get a 5 group of 3 keys. Like that, similarly they given here a bows. Okay, so what we have to do here? Groups of 7 groups of 5 bows each. So here 5 bows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to circle these 5 bows. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ರೋಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಈ ಕಾಲಮಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ 5 ಬೋಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ, 5 ಬೋಸ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. See here, for this one circle, this is one circle. Again like that, same how to do. How many groups you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here 7. So here you will get how many groups? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You will get 7 groups here. So 5 bows ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. You will get 7 groups here. Here 5 groups of 3 keys. Here 7 group of 5 bows. Getting? So 1 group, 2nd group, 3rd group, 4th group, 5th group, 6th group, 7th group. Getting my point? So I hope everyone will understood this concept. So you have to do this homework is from the 7th May, from the 7th May up to last 20th. From 7th May to 20th May, you have to do it in a HW. Okay, or I'll write in a CW level. From 7th to 20th May in a CW, you have to write. This is the homework. This is the homework. Okay, thank you. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.